Boom, welcome back. So here we are, the walkthrough video. I want to show you how our group looks like, how to navigate it, where to pay attention, where are the most important things, how to use it to maximize, your ROI, to succeed with strategies we're gonna share. Also, I will share some links where you can track everything here. I will show you where you can find them. I'll also show you around the Skool if you never used it. So this is on desktop, on computer. I might do another video how to do it on your phone because it's very practical and the app is super friendly, user-friendly, very easy to use. I love it. I really enjoy it on the phone. So you can actually, if you go to App Store and just type Skool and download it, that would be it. Everything's gonna look the same like here. So I would actually suggest that's the first step, something you do just so you have it. So this is how it looks like. And then when you click, you will see like here, it's basically the same what you see here on the screen, same is here on my phone, okay? So it's very easy to use. So if you head to the App Store and just type Skool, download it, that's it. So let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so here we are, the community. You will see here at the top, if you're a member of any other communities, you can switch here. But this is the client attraction ecosystem. And then first thing you will see, the community is actually the threads here, where all the content, the posts that we will do, that you will do, members of the community, they will be here, okay? So very simple, literally first tab, community, and then you have these threads. So the threads are general. Right now you will see new members challenge as we are adding stuff. You are literally first members, so congrats on that again. And getting grandfathered in the offer you got, that's crazy. So new members challenge, but basically you will see all general business questions, wins, introduce yourself, call, replays. So if you go to general here, it would be, right now there's no post, but it will be anything in general you want to ask or share, and we will do the same. You will see examples. Business questions, anything related to business, traffic, clients, making offers, creating offers, offer docs, video DMs, lead gen, content, like lead magnets, literally anything related to what direction to go in, right? Maybe you're changing direction, your niche, maybe you're rolling out a new offer, maybe you're starting a Facebook group or a school community, right? You will ask those questions here. And you will see, I will show you in a moment how to ask those questions to help you maximize really the support you can get. Next is wins. We really would encourage you to celebrate your wins. This is not, I know most of us are here in Make Money Online niche, so it doesn't have to be monetary. Maybe you just started your community or a Facebook group. That's a win. Maybe you just rolled out an offer. Maybe you did your first live. Maybe you hosted an event, maybe you hosted an interview, maybe you were interviewed. Like literally it can be anything that moves you forward, propels you, that this is a step in the right direction, right? Moving the needle in my business. So please share those wins here because you will inspire others, you'll increase your status, right? Lead others by example, right? Which will increase your status and authority, obviously, depending on what you share, what you do. Like I said, inspire also others. And, you'll be inspired by others as well who will do the same. And helps really build confidence. This is one thing I missed early on in my journey. I didn't really celebrate a lot of my wins. And even though I had them, I wouldn't feel good. It's like a flywheel effect. If you actually have a win, no matter how small, monetary, non-monetary, like you had epiphany, that's a win. For me right now, that's a big win. This epiphany I had about the client attraction ecosystem, how I use it, and why we decided to do this. This was a huge epiphany for me because all my content, all my sales, all my client wins, your wins will stem from that epiphany. So it's huge, right? So you can share that here. And then what I want to say, the flywheel effect. You share the win, Others congratulate you, see it. It reinforces the belief, that you are going in the right direction, moving the needle, showing up the way you should, and then it builds more confidence. More confidence, you take more action, you procrastinate less, you overthink less, right? More action means more self-belief, and it's like a flywheel effect. Next is introduce yourself. So the first thing you're gonna do, you will see that is new members challenge. And when you click here and see, you will see why and what you're supposed to do, because you'll actually be surprised by something there. So check that first. If you already have, awesome. Congrats on that. You can also engage with other members who have introduced themselves to connect, network, build connections. This is also one of the goals of this community. And the last step would be call replays. So here you will get access to replays of all the live calls we're going to host in the community. So those are the threads. Hope that makes sense. Now, next step would be classroom. So in the classroom right now, you will see two things: welcome and walkthrough, which you are obviously watching, and Ecosystem Academy. Here, there will be in-depth step-by-step course on how to actually use this. By the time you're watching this, actually, there might be a few more, as we will be adding, as we go, a lot of stuff and updating, and you will get all the updates and all the new stuff like your grandfather in this community, right? As I mentioned before. Then calendar. So right now, there are no events scheduled, but here you will find in the calendar, you will be able to see every single thing we schedule, a weekly Q&A, monthly, any surprise calls, interviews with 6- and 7-figure marketers, and so on, right? All of it will be here when you click the calendar tab. Members, you can see the other members here. For now, obviously, just few of us, and this is different like profiles, just testing some stuff. Then you will see the leaderboard. This is very cool, very important one, because you will be able to unlock and get access to different things based on your level. This is going to be super cool. The way you get the level, every single like and comment you get on your post is a point, right? So once you enter this community, as you can see here, me and Stevan, and it says level 1 explorer, 5 points to level up. You can click questionnaire, the question here, and see how it works. But basically, you need 5 likes to get to apprentice, right? When you get to apprentice, you can actually DM other people. There are different things that will unlock, right? It will be all explained. I will add those things here. So, but basically, 5 points, your apprentice, then X amount of points, your contributor, etc. And the more you go down this path, you will see the more benefits you can get. We will obviously add and explain how it works and all the benefits you can get. And this is the about page, basically where you landed first, what's the community about, etc. So if you want to recommend it to someone, this is where you would send them. If you think they will benefit from this crazy offer, right? You can send them to this page. So hope that makes sense. Now in the second, I will put another video explaining a very important thing here. If you go to welcome and walkthrough, right, which you are getting, the tracker here, okay? Not to make this video too long, so you will click the tracker here, and in the next video, I'll explain what to do with this tracker, what's the point.